MetaPure stands for Krones Recycling Solutions. The experts in the studio today are Markus Ingenpass and Peter Hartel. Welcome.
Hello.
Recycling is a loop, it's a closed loop. At what points within that loop can Krones support?
From the very first idea of the customer till the last realization of the project, we can support the customer on the whole way.
So it's not only equipment, right?
No, it's not only equipment. We start very early in that process with feasibility and concept studies up to a complete factory planning.
Factory planning is something which we can support our customers by generating some layouts during the whole lifetime of a project. Some changes might be there, and the customer then always can follow the semi-steps and the small steps in between.
So you join right at the beginning with the first idea of the customer and you accompany them through the whole process.
Yeah, we start even much earlier, so we take material from the customer, for example, into our testing center in our factory in Flensburg, analyze the material and show the customer what solution we can offer.
What if a customer has an idea that might be possible to realize, but it doesn't really make sense?
We want to help, or we can help the customer during the whole process, as I mentioned in the beginning. And this is also for all customers. We support them wherever possible, and it's their decision how the project is ongoing.
And the customer also profits from the long experience Krones has.
Yes, correct. Our experience, for example, in the washing is washing of bottles, for example, is more than 60 years old. The whole process and the process parameters we have taken over for the PET flake washing, and for that we are generating very, very good results for the PET.
Is it only PET?
No, we also take a look at the other packaging plastics like HDPE, LDPE, PP and polystyrene, so that we can also close the loop for that.
So the customer gets a solution out of one hand with the whole life cycle and the whole process in mind.
Yes, correct. So with the whole setup of Krones, we are able to start with the recycling. After recycling, produce new bottles, fill the bottles, label the bottles, and then pack them and put them on the truck. So that's what Krones is standing for.
It's a great support. Are there any projects, no matter if they are customer projects or your own internal projects, you want to mention?
We have customer projects worldwide for PET and polyolefin recycling, and we are also renovating our testing center in our facility in Flensburg to offer more possibilities to test customers' materials.
That's a great outlook and the right way to the future. I thank you very much for giving us these insights on recycling solutions.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ba 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 da da.